I'm Jackie Vargas, the creator of the Warrior Challenge, a 21-day program which incorporates nutrition, exercise, and rest to give you a complete program of wellness that you can follow for your whole life once you finish. And Linda is a graduate of the program. Can you tell us what your results were after taking the 21-day program?
Well, we had looked for results in a couple of areas, and one of my results was weight loss, and I did lose weight. I lost 8 pounds. And what's been wonderful for me is that after the program, I've continued to lose weight. So the program didn't just have its small effect, it's having a continuous effect.
Awesome. Join us for the Warrior Challenge here at the Brooklyn Sports Club and get the same results as Linda has. Not just weight loss for now, but continued weight loss and learning a new way to eat and live.